you about random numbers. If I want to create a random number between 0 and 1, I can just type in equals rand, open brackets, close bracket, click enter. I can just click on it and scroll it down for my numbers randomly between 0 and 1. If I want to create a random number between 15, 13 and 18, what I'll do is I'll click equals rand between, okay, and I will type in my numbers 13 comma 18, close the brackets, click enter, and I've gotten a random number 14, which is between 13 and 18. If I want a decimal number, what I'll do is I'll click equals, I'll type in my number 13 plus 5, so 13 plus 5 is 18, and then I will put the asterisk random rand, and I'll close the bracket, click enter, and it gives me 15.99, which is between 13 and 18. But this time this has a decimal number. This was a whole number and this has a decimal number. So you can just play with it